Let's see question number 24 of exercise 6.3. Find the equation of a tangent and normal to the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1 at the given point. Which means point is also given and equation of a curve is also given. And we have to find the both the equation. So very first step we will find the equation slope of a tangent. For finding slope of a tangent, we have to differentiate the given curve. So x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. This is equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So you will get here 2x upon a square minus 2y upon b square into dy upon dx equal to d by ds of any constant will be 0, so this will be 0. Now we want dy upon dx, so you have to make it positive, so we will shift that side, so it will be 2x upon a square equal to 2y upon b square into dy upon dx, which means you can write dy upon dx equal to 2x upon a square and cross multiply, so b square and this 2y will be downside, so 2y. So 2 will be cancelled, which means you can write b square upon a square into x upon y. Now we have to find the slope of a tangent. So slope of a tangent dy upon dx at the point x naught y naught equal to b square upon a square, and we will put this value, so x naught upon 1. Okay, this way. Now equation of a tangent will be at this given point. So y minus y naught equal to, this is slope b square upon a square and x naught upon y naught, and here x minus x. Now we have to make this equation. So for that we will shift this way, means b square upon y square we will multiply y square y naught upon b square, we will multiply by this way. So y minus y naught equal to, here we will get x naught upon a square, x minus x. Okay, this is also equation of a tangent, but we want to reduce this. That's why we will apply this, because this point is lying on this curve even, because this is the point of contact. So this point will lie on this equation also. Okay, so if you replace x with the x naught and y with the y naught, so we'll get x naught square upon a square minus y naught square upon b square equal to 1, and that we will get here also, and we will replace by 1. So that's why we are doing this. So it will be y naught y upon b square minus y naught square upon b square equal to x naught x upon a square minus x naught square upon a square. Now this we have to make positive, so we will shift this side. So x naught square upon a square minus y naught square upon b square equal to, this is here x naught x upon a square minus y naught y upon b square. Okay, this we have shifted. Now you know that we will write, since this is equation 2, since x naught y naught lies on the curve 1 also, therefore x naught square upon a square minus y naught square upon b square equal to 1. So that you can replace here, so this will be in a short, this equation will be in the reduced form. So it will be x naught x upon a square minus y naught y upon b square equal to 1. Okay, from equation 2 and 3 we can write. Okay, now we have to find equation of a tangent. No, this is equation of tangent. We have to find equation of normal. So for that, equation of slope of a normal will find. So slope of a normal at given point. So we will write here minus 1 upon dy upon dx, which means minus 1 upon dy upon dx we got this. So it will be reciprocal, means, or we will write this one, b square upon x naught upon a square upon into y naught. So we will reciprocal it. It will be a square y naught upon b square x naught and minus a. Okay, this is the slope of a normal. Now equation y minus y, equation of a normal, equation of normal at given point. So y minus y naught equal to, this is slope, a square upon b square y naught upon x naught, x minus x1, x minus x1, x1. Okay, now we will multiply here by this, what, b square, y, here we will write here y minus y naught upon this a square y naught. Okay, equal to, this will be minus x naught upon b square x naught. Now this we will shift this side, so it will be y minus y naught upon a square y naught plus this x minus x naught upon b square x naught equal to 0, and this will be equation of a normal.